Hello everyone. Today I'll teach you how to use cupping therapy to help with insomnia. We'll focus on specific acupuncture points known to improve sleep quality and promote relaxation. Let's get started. The key acupuncture points for relieving insomnia include Anmian, located behind the ear. This point is known as the peaceful sleep point and promotes relaxation. Shenmen, found on the wrist. This point calms the mind and reduces anxiety. Fengqi, situated at the base of the skull, it helps relieve stress and promotes restful sleep. Dazhui, located at the base of the neck, it calms the nervous system and alleviates tension. Cups are carefully placed on these points to create suction, stimulating blood flow and releasing tension. This helps relax the body and prepares the mind for a deeper, more restful sleep. Leave the cups in place for 10 to 15 minutes for optimal results. Thank you for watching this tutorial on cupping therapy for insomnia. Using these points can help improve sleep quality and reduce restlessness. Remember to consult a professional for safe and effective application. See you next time. Goodbye.